Mitosis. Learning points. Define mitosis and what the process achieves. Name each phase of mitosis in the correct order. Explain what is happening to the chromosomes at each phase. What is mitosis? Mitosis is the name given to cell division, where a cell divides into two genetically identical copies of itself. The process is broken down into a series of different phases. Interphase. A cell spends the most time in this phase. The DNA in the chromosomes copies itself ready for cell division. The chromosomes then become thicker and start to coil. Early prophase. Cylindrical organelles called centrioles divide into two. They move apart and form asters. Asters help align and group chromosomes in cell division. The nuclear membrane then starts to disintegrate. Late prophase. The asters and centrioles are now on different poles. The nuclear membrane has disappeared. Metaphase. Microscopic protein structures called spindle fibers pull the chromosomes by their centromeres, the center of a chromosome, so they line up in the middle. Anaphase. The centromeres split and half of the chromatids are divided chromosomes, move to one pole and half to the other. The cell membrane begins to pinch at the center. Telophase. The cell membrane constricts further and two nuclear membranes form around the separated groups. Cytokinesis. The cell membrane pinches in completely and mitosis is complete. Two daughter cells now exist. They both are genetically identical with the same number of chromosomes. The phases of mitosis. Tip. Only 2 chromosomes are shown in the cell, but in reality there are 23 pairs of chromosomes in a human cell.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.